Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing a quick review on this ready to cook Phirni mix which was sent to me by a brand called Self Chef. So this is how the product looks from the inside. The packaging is really great. It's so simple to make, you just need to follow the 3 simple steps. Step 1, you need to take 500 ml of milk in a pan and add this mixture. Cook on a medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes or till the grain softens. Looks like it's ready. Bring it to room temperature and refrigerate or serve it cold. So I'm taking some dry fruits for garnish. It's totally optional. And it's ready to serve. Isn't that simple? You just need to follow 3 steps and it'll be done in like 10 to 15 minutes. And finally your Phirni is done. Doesn't that look amazing? So do give it a try. So if you want to buy these products, you can go and check out Self Chef's Instagram page. I'll link the Instagram page link in the description below, so please go and check them out. Or you can also order it from Amazon as well. I'll mention the Amazon link in the description below. Or you can also find the Amazon or the website link in their Instagram bio as well. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching.